Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you do this equation word problem? It says bus A has 18 more seats than bus B. Together, they have 96 seats. How many seats does each bus have? Let us summarize our question this way. We have bus A and bus B, but we don't know the number of seats for each bus. Only we have here is the relationship that bus A has 18 more seats than bus B. So we are going to let the number of seats for bus B is equal to X. Bus A is going to have 18 more seats, that is X plus 18. But also they say that together they have 96 seats. This means that when we add this, we get 96. We form this equation. Let us solve for X. So X plus 18 plus X, this is equal to 96. X plus X, we get 2X plus 18. This is equal to 96. Take 18 to the right hand side. We are going to have 2x. This is equal to 96. Take away 18. 2x. This is equal to 78. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we get 39. The value of x is equal to 39. Bus B has expression x, which is equal to 39. So bus B has 39 seats. And bus A has expression x plus 18. Bus A, it has x plus 18. This is equal to 39 plus 18. This gives us 57. So bus A has 57 seats and bus B has 39 seats. I hope you understand this equation. For more questions on equations, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.